Sanibonani babukela emakhaya, igama lami uKhethiwe wakaMalika. Okay, iKhida The Beauty Spa, i-spa si-focus kakhulu kuyo yonke into eyaka beauty. So akukho esingakwenza okuka beauty. We do ama-massage, waxing, facial, pedicure and manicures. Okwamanje siseKloof, but we also do ama-mobile services. So we come to you, it's either hotel, it's office, comfort of your home, then siyafika khona sizokwenza i-massage. Okay, i-massage ibaluleke kakhulu, iyasiza kwi-stress, iyasiza futhi nomzimba ohlezi ukhathele. Kuma-muscle nje iyakwazi ukuthi ilule ama-muscles akho ukuthi ugcine u-right emzimbeni. So kakhulukazi if nakulabantu aba-sports, abama-sports, abantu abajimayo, we recommend it kakhulu i-massage. I-business ngaqala ngonyaka odlule, kodwa kwi-Virginia yakhona mhlawumbe ngino-5 years ngifisa ukuthi liphumelele until last year. Then into engimotivateile kulona, ngakhula vele ngithanda izinto zaka beauty nje ngikhula. Then ngafunda ngazama ukuliqala but it didn't work ngalezo ikhathi. Then ngase ngi-apply ke ngasebenza. I-experience enginayo it's more than 10 years ngika beauty. Then last year ngase ngiqala ke. Umuntu mhlambe mufikile because sinama packages ahlukene sisebenza kanjalo. Sinako i-package ukuthi senze i-massage yodwa ehamba nama hot stones. Sinayo i-package ukuthi uthi massage senza i-foot treatment, i-facial ne-body scrub. So kuya ngokuthi umuntu ngaleso sikhathi usuka efuna i-treatment enjani, but ayikho into ozothi uyayifuna kuthina then ungayitholi. Umculo sidlala sisuka senza ukuthi urelaxise like ingqondo, yabo, because ngeke ithi uze kwi-spa ufuna ukuzorelaxa then bese ngidlala igqomo. Obvious ukuthi yabo ngeke ukwazi ukurelaxa, so lo mculo osudlalayo uyakusiza ukuthi ingqondo irelaxe nawe umzimba wakho nje u-adjust ukuthi ngizorelaxa ke la ngikhona. Okay, ama-products esiwasebenzisayo, sisebenzisa ama-products esaziyo ukuthi suitable for sonke isikhumba somzimba, because kukhona ngempela abantu aba-allergic kwamanye ama-products. So asisebenzisi into eneyiphunga oqala lokho. Then okwamanje anginayo i-brand engizothi ngigxile kuyona kakhulu, yabo, but nje ngisebenzisa ama-products angenalo iphunga noma ama-products engazi ukuthi ngeke silimaze isikhumba se-client. And okunye before ngithatha i-booking nge-client noma before i-client ngiqala i-treatment yalo, ngilibuza ukuthi kukhona yini into e-allergic kuyona ukuze singagcini sisebenzisa izinto kanti mhlambe linenkinga. Some of ama-client ayayifikela nama-oils awo, athi ngicela ukuthi ngisebenzisele le oil yona e-right for isikhumba sami. Okay, ama-challenges sesiba nawo, ukuba quiet, uthola ukuthi ama-client awekho. That's one of i-challenges engiba nawo okwamanje. Then nanokuthi amanye ama-client asuka afuna i-treatment e-special kakhulu, yabo. Uthola ukuthi mina I do indlela engazi ukuthi izo-accommodate wonke umuntu. So I can't ukuthi ngoba ufikile then I have to give you i-treatment edlula eyabhodi. So I have to treat you ngendlela efanayo. So amanye ama-client abanaleyo nto ukuthi mina ngifuna manje, yabo, khona lama-client kanjalo. So to avoid izinto ey'kanjalo sengize ngathi I don't take ama-walk-ins. So you have to make a booking then bese ufika ngesikhathi sakho, because le ama-walk-ins yona umuntu ofika sathi manje, and which is I can't do that. Okay, frequently asked i-question eba khona ile yokuthi mostly ibuzwa abantu besilisa yokuthi if I come to your spa will I get extra or happy ending, yabo. So mina we don't do that. There are ama-spa adila nalezo zinto kanjalo. Ngisho bayi-advertise bayabhala ukuthi we do ama-central massage. Lawo ma-massage abizwa ngama-central massages. So lo mbuzo ke nkosami ohlezi ukhona ke ohlezi ukhona kwe-client elibhukayo. Ama-future plans enginawo ukuthi ngithole indawo enkulu. Okay, my biggest wish kahle ukuthi ngithole indawo sort of i-B&B kanje, ngibe nendawo engizosebenzela kuyona, but ukuthola nje indawo enkulu. Okay, go Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, Khida The Beauty Spa. Then my cell phone number is 081 413 9556 and 062 608 8259. Ama-house calls for manje, I only take abantu besifazane. I don't take ama-house calls abantu besilisa because since sengasekho safe kuleli lizwe sesiphila kulona, so I don't want to risk because umuntu menza ibooking ngeke azasho ukuthi ngizokwenza izinto e-wrong yabo. So kumuntu wesifazane ngisuke ngineshow ukuthi ngiya kumuntu wesifazane, and nakhona I make sure ukuthi uma kuwena obhukhile ngicommunicate nawe, I call ngenze sure ukuthi uwena because ungasuka ubhukhe kanti ubhukhela ubhodi. Ukuthatha i-risk empilweni kubalekile, akukho lula, engakusho akukho lula. Ama-challenges abakhona more especially financially yabo, kodwa if into uyifuna you should go all out. Definitely I am the next billionaire.